Good morning class, I hope you are all fine. May God bless you. Today's my topic is possessive noun because yesterday we learned possessive pronoun. Word that replaces a noun and show ownerships like mine, your, his, hers, ours, their. Today lesson number 1, page number 7. This is my kite, it is mine. Yes, it is your kite, it is yours. This is my purse, it is mine. Mine belongs to me. What's meaning? Mine belongs to me. Yours belongs to you. This is my purse, it is mine. Yes, it is your purse, it is yours. These are my scissors, they are mine. Yes, those are yours, these are mine. Yes, those are yours, these are mine. Once again, page number 7. This is my kite, it is mine. Yes, it is your kite, it is yours. This is my purse, it is mine. Yes, it is your purse, it is yours. These are my scissors, these are my scissors, and those are your scissors. Are these my clothes? Yes. Are these my clothes? Yes, those are your clothes. New words meaning. Mine belongs to me. Yours belong to you. Possessive one's ownerships. किसी भी चीज का एक मालिक. For example, ये मार्कर है, ये मेरा है. Belongs to me. Possessive one's ownerships. एक चीज ये मैं इसकी मालिक हूं, कोई दूसरा इसका मालिक नहीं है. Dirty, unclean, sad, unhappy. Important points. This is my kite, it is mine. Yes, it is your kite, it is yours. These are my scissors, these are my scissors. They are mine. Yes, those are yours. These are mine. Those are yours and these are mine. Are these my clothes? Are these my clothes? Yes, those are yours. Those are yours and these are mine. These are mine. Once again, are these my clothes? Yes. Are these my clothes? Yes. These are yours. Those are yours. These are mine. Class activity. This is my pencil. It is mine. Because yesterday already I learned possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is a word that replaces a noun and show ownerships. This is my pencil, it is mine. This is my pencil, it is mine. These are our rulers, they are ours. Those are his shoes, they are his. Those are their shoes, they are ours. Home activity. Read page number 7 and learn spellings, scissors, purse, drawing, clothes, their, possessive. Learn spellings and include English workbook, lesson number 1, page number 8, workbook, homework, page number 8, question number 1, on book. Okay, student, thank you. May God bless you.